So we have our equation here, A equals P, yada, yada, yada. So what you want to do is you want to assign certain values to certain variables. So I've gone ahead and done that. So P equals 1,000, N equals 12, R equals 8% or 0.08, and T equals, and you want to prompt how many years. So what I've done is, in order to create that prompt, input the string how many years. So when that alone is ran, it'll prompt how many years would you enter. Now, what this input will prompt though is a string, and we need to change it to an integer in order to plug it into the equation. So I've gone ahead and done T equals int, which will change the value that how many years we decide to enter into an integer, not a string. So when running this, it'll prompt you for how many years. This will then change it to an integer, how many years you decide. And then A equals the equation here, which I had to do. It took a couple tries to get correct, but making sure that the parentheses is in the correct place. But after you plug this in, all the variables here will be plugged into, all these values will be plugged into these variables, and then we print the final amount of money, which will be the string that'll print out for T, which is how many years we've decided, which is integer years is, and then the answer here. So if we run it, it prompts how many years, let's say 2 years, and then the final amount of money after 2 years is 1,172.